this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. I'm making a video for Steve. Steve, you ask a very good question as far as how can you utilize different tactics that it gives you a precise entry point, but it can also then by default give you a precise exit point for a much smaller loss. It's a great question, and it's something that I love teaching. I'll give you an example. First foundation, we've got to find clean and simple chart pattern, a clean and simple entry. I'll give you an example. This stock's just Netflix. It's just going sideways right here, across these tops. Now, it's not perfect. This high isn't exactly the same as this high, but it's close. If it lifts through that top in a good market with good volume, it's at buy. Clean tops. Remember this little spot right in here. Here, advance it one day. And boom, it takes off on a big pickup in volume. It's very simple. Clean and simple line. If it moves above that line, by Jove, if it falls below that line, hey, we're wrong and we'll sell. Now, I don't want to day trade it, but could that happen? Sure, but what it does for us is it keeps the losses much smaller. And the stock does this. I mean, this is a dang good move right here. All right? Now, they all don't do this. I don't want to portray that. But clean and simple. Watch this right here. Look at right here. I'll drag this back. This is a swing trade setup right here. Look at this. Nice, clean, downward sloping trend line. Orderly, bouncing off the 8-day. We always look for patterns that everybody can see because it increases the potential. They'll buy it too. And they did. Look at that. On a pickup in volume. I'll show you two recent stocks right here. Going across this top right here. Simple. Look at the weekly. Now you can see it. That's the monthly. Here's the weekly. Top shelf right there. Top shelf. Simple. Going across. Look at that. Here's the daily. It goes up. It pulls back. And all we said is this. If it takes out the high of that bar, we'll buy it. If it falls below, right here, if it falls below that line, we know that we're wrong and we'll sell at least half our shares. Here's another example for us. Right there. Team, look at those clean tops right there. Just going sideways. Clean tops. Advance it. Does this, and then it does this. Pushes through that white line on a pickup in volume. By the way, all these stocks are in leading groups, and it's very simple. Goes that, does that. You know what we do? By Jove, we know buy here, falls below it. We're going to sell it, at least half, for a much smaller loss. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you, and I hope that helps you. It's a great question, and I thank you very much. And if I want to really clarify it, I hope, again, if you're not satisfied, hey, ask, say, I'm not quite sure. We'll do more. We'll do more. And I thank you very much.